Hello friends, I'm back. So I decided to try to tackle the gingerbread man page in my album. My original plan was to have a gingerbread man cut in half that when you opened it up it would be full size. So I went to my Cricut. Sorry, just moving the album out of the way. I went to my Cricut and I did like a template. But when I put this in my album, it was too small. There wasn't really a whole lot I could do. I was hoping to be able to put like a recipe or something on it, and then I put these on it, and it just looked like a mummy. Overall, it was a fail. So I went back to my Cricut, and I found a different gingerbread man. Something that had a little bit more body here in the middle, so I could at least possibly put a picture or something in the middle here, and then flip it over and have like a recipe or something on the back. So the plan is to assemble it, and I printed out a couple of, or I cut rather, with my Spellbinders tab die. I cut 4 of these just to see if I could help anchor him into the album. And then I just reused the little bow tie and stuff from the other gingerbread man that I cut, just because I thought I liked how oversized the bow tie was. So I'm going to see if I can put this together and put you on fast forward while you watch me assemble this. Okay, here we go. Okay, I am back. It is several hours later. Boy, did I underestimate how much time it was going to take to hand stitch my little gingerbread guy. That was pretty intense. So, as I stated before, I'm going to have to put another white backer on this if my glue will cooperate. Does not look like it wants to. So it happens when you leave a project for several hours, I guess. There. So this was one of those cases of I suddenly realized why I don't do a lot of hand stitching. I love the detail it adds, but wow, that was really intense. All right, now see how we go. Hopefully this all stays down. I had originally thought about possibly sewing it through the sewing machine, but I think in the end, hand stitching it, as long as it took me, I think it was a wiser choice. The one thing I will say is I started using too big of a needle. You can, I don't know if you can even pick it up on camera, but right on this area here, the stitching looks a lot messier than it does everywhere else. It's because I was using an actual embroidery floss needle, and it was way too big. So I had to switch to a quilting needle. I think that's good. There's a couple of spots that I'm going to have to glue. I might wait and see how it sets. For now, let's put it in the album. I've never really done something like this in my album before, so oh, that's a bit cute. Yeah. All right, folks, I'm going to call that done today, considering it was probably more than 3 hours worth of fussing. And yeah, I will be back with you shortly to share some more ideas for December Daily. All right, thanks for coming to hang out with me today. Bye for now.